Look at her cross her little paws. You're my good girl. There's my good girl. Come here. And here's my Bitsy girl. She just wants to be in someone's lap all the time. She's a perfect little lap dog. And there's Rocket Man. He's gotten so affectionate too. He used to be kind of scared to get in my lap, but now he just loves me and hugs on me and puts his head on mine. They're just doing so great. Yes. Sending love and hugs, my precious babies. There's my little girl. She always got her little feet together. Look at her little feet. Look at those feet. You got the cutest little feet. You just precious. Yes. And apparently she found something to hide. He's very busy.